This is the little kids fishing pole for ages 3 to 5. It comes with a nice bag, and then can you show the fishing pole? Pretty please. Kindly. He likes to assist too, but he doesn't have opposable thumbs. I think it was almost 5 feet to which it extends. Almost reaches the dog.
And then to put it back, right there.
Okay, so we got the fishing pole secured back in the bag. And it also comes with this little set. These are all fishing lures, correct?
Yes.
Ooh, that feels real. Feels a little too realistic for me. Bunch of different options.
Little mini bobbers.
I don't know the difference.
Tiny. Babies. Baby butter.
Oh.
Corn.
Thank you, Rom. We appreciate the assistance.